Hi, my name is Marty Zase. I'm a dentist in Colchester, Connecticut. And about a year and a half ago, we decided it was time to redo our office. And by redo, I mean it was 30 years old, and we didn't want to spend the money to break down all the walls. And instead, we said, maybe if we upgrade the technology, that's the direction to go in. So we knew we were going to get digital x-rays, and we knew we were going to computerize our records. But the question was, what are we going to do with the rest of the stuff? How are we going to present it all? So I was fortunate enough to be introduced to SurfCT, and we started talking, and we went back and forth. They were trying to find out what was in my mind about what I wanted. And at the same time, they were trying to put some ideas into my mind about things to consider. Before you knew it, we started looking at, what does a patient need? How can I teach my patients what to do? And it really became obvious that people are visual. It's almost like if they see it on TV, it's true. So we decided some television sets in the room would be good. But they also had to be monitors. And they also had to be large enough so the patient could see them lying down in the chair or sitting up. So we went for some high-definition, widescreen TV sets in each of our operatories. And even if we're doing nothing but putting a digital x-ray up, because the digital x-ray is a foot by a foot and a half, all of a sudden the patients can understand things that we've been talking about for a long time. They could finally see what we were seeing. They could finally believe what we were saying instead of just taking our word for it. And as an educational tool, the pieces of technology that we put in have made a huge difference in our practice. This is 2009. It was the year when practices all took a hit. Ours went up this year because of the technology that's in our practice and what we've been able to explain to our patients, what we've been able to let them see by the work that SurfCT did in our office seamlessly without us even having to close for a day. What the patients have been able to see from that has built our practice into a more successful place than it's ever been in our entire 3 decades of service. You might want to check out SurfCT for yourself. They did a great job for me. Thanks. I'm Dr. Marty Zase.